or would be your test value, should you reject or not reject? Reject. Okay? Now, if you didn't want to find the critical value, you wouldn't have to. You could just look here and say, hey, the p-value is 0.04. That's smaller than alpha. Alpha was 0.10, so then you could reject. That's the only difference. The only difference, it's taken me a long time to get this through to a lot of people, I think, that the only difference between the traditional method and the p-value method is traditional method, you have to find the critical value. Then you have to see if the test value falls in the critical region or not. With the p-value method, you don't have to find the critical value. You don't need this. All you do is find the p-value, then compare it to alpha. The p-value is 0.04, which is this little area right in here. That little area right there is 0.04. Alpha is this entire area here, which is 0.10. So since our p-value is smaller than alpha, we would reject. Okay? With this problem on the test, you have the option of doing it either way, and it says that in the directions. So anyway, you're going to say reject the null. So if we reject the null, that means we think the null is false. That means we think the alternative is true. So we'd say there is enough evidence to support the claim that the proposed labels and gender are, and you can use the word dependent or related. So we're rejecting the null, so we're supporting the claim. That would be what you put in the summary.
So dependent is related?
Yes. Another word for dependent is that meaning that they're related. I don't care which way you word it. Okay? All right. Now, next I could review either homogeneated proportions, which is the other thing on 11.3, or I could go back and do